A3 logo design. Number. Path. Offset path 5. Expand. Right-click. Transform. Reflect. Pathfinder. Divide. Go ahead and see how I am deleting or adding things. These tasks can be done with the help of the selection tool. Delete the redundant part and connect your logo with Unite tool. Make the entire logo black. A logo presentation is very helpful in improving your project. See also how to use mockup in Photoshop. Place your design up here and press the Ctrl S key from the keyboard. This way your silver 3D logo mockup and second stamp mockup will be ready. Thank you very much for viewing my work.